Hey, hello. This is Alvin here from TradeYourEdge.com. For those who are watching this video for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is where, on a weekly basis, especially on the weekends, I would be sharing my views on the three currencies and gold. So these are the areas that I'll be covering. So let's begin. In front of me, I have a weekly chart on the euro dollar. Um, as always, I always try to look at the bigger time frames. Just to be clear, this is not a channel. This is something I drew last week. I'm trying to see if there are any resistance of breaking up higher, or is price going to go down lower. There's no evidence right now on where this is going yet. So what I typically do is I would drill on a weekly chart, look at look and see if there's any patterns. On this case, I might see if there's any strong resistance horizontally. Looking at it, it doesn't seem to be. Oh, there might be some. Looking at this touch here, this touch here, this touch, and so on and so forth. Right. So that's what I'm looking at. Nothing in particular. Moving down to the daily time frame, one thing is for sure is that price is starting to wobble sideways. Is this an indication of a resistance to go higher? Definitely yes. It's just an indication that price is needing a bit more force and willpower to move higher. Is it definitely going to move higher? We're not sure. We will try to see if the buyers or the sellers are winning the war. There's no clear indication as of right now, so I'm just going to look for my trades to either, if I'm going to take it long, then I would like to break it above, retest before going higher. If it's going to go down, then I would like some patterns to give me some confirmation. Right? Typical price patterns that I look for are higher highs and lower lows. So that's what I'm looking at. The next currency pair I'm looking at is the pounds dollar. Pounds dollar is on a weekly chart. This is something I've drawn for a while. This is a descending triangle. Of course, this spans all the way to 2007, which is the last 13 years. Um, is it holding on? Yes, but I'm. This is just a simple indication. What could potentially happen is that this price will continue to stay within that consolidation pattern. Of course, the opposite is also true. It could just break above, um, and that's what I'm trying to look for. In the last few weeks, this box here that I've drawn is this kind of happened during the COVID-19 pandemic, um, which is started early 2020. As I speak now, it's already August. Price has moved sideways, has broken out of the range, and it's now going high. Let's see what happens. Uh, this is not exactly inside bar, but a small little short bar this week. Okay. Uh, in that sense, moving down to the daily chart, this is a small little range here, which is very normal because price has been running upwards, has been trending for the last, well, this is since June 30th, so July, it's been trending for the last month. So the last 25 days. That's just a very nice pattern. Will it go higher? That's my bias. I believe price will go higher. Is there resistance? Yes, I'm watching it very closely. So as you can see, the price is testing the same levels. It's not a coincidence. Price always retests the same psychological level. So that's pound dollar. I'm gonna watch for the indication and see if I can find a setup to go long or short. Next, I have gold. Gold has been, well, it's been moving upwards, and it has broken my level, which is 1900. Um, it's gone north. Very nice, very nice pattern. Trending very nicely, and I'm just gonna look for potential entries and continue to take this long. Okay. Last but not least is Euro pounds. Euro pounds. I always keep an eye on this currency pair for those who are new here. I always keep my currency pair is because when the dollar doesn't move, when the dollar stalls, usually the crosses are the one that would move. So in this occasion, all of this are indications of the Brexit. Well, there's a lot more to it, but pound dollar has been historically a nice pair to trade as and when it's moving. However, it's been ranging for a long time. The key to trade successfully is to maintain patience and making sure that you are watching your checklist regularly. Okay, so that's it from me. This is Alwin signing off. If you have any questions, make sure to throw your questions at the bottom of this video. Likewise, make sure to subscribe and click on notification. Right. Apart from that, happy trading.